Hey guys, Teresa here with Sippie Couture. Okay, so in the past few months, I've had a lot of people reach out and be like, I didn't realize Teresa was Sippie Couture. So here's your intro. That probably should have happened a few years ago. So hi guys, I am Teresa Barber. My business is Sippie Couture. I make my husband makes custom display cases. I make tumblers. I'm a little odd. Sorry about this. I created the unicorn burst, and I'm also a brand ambassador for Mr. Nola's glitter, which I'm super, super excited about. I'm going to be teaching at a few events this year, and I would love for you guys to come out and take my class, come hang out. I don't know, come play, please. Please come play. So odd. All right, so GlitterCon over in New Orleans, it's going to be an amazing event. They have so much planned. I'm going to be teaching a design I can't exactly say yet. It's really pretty. It's going to be fun, and I have a special twist on it for you guys. And then over at Tumbler Fest in Illinois, please come hang out there. This is my first time going to that part of the world, and I'm super excited. So weird. I'm going to teach a Milky Way over there, not this exact one, but just an idea. Again, I'm very sorry for not doing this earlier. Nice to meet you guys. YouTube channel is Sippie Couture. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers, and as soon as we get there, I have a big giveaway, guys. It's going to be a Cricut Explorer Air 2, Turners, tumblers, gift cards to Two Moms Craft Shack, MJT Collective. My words are all over the place today. Epoxy for Mr. Nola, some glitter, sticky sheets, all of that amazing stuff. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then Sippie Couture Community is where you can find me on Facebook. I have my lives, coupon codes, giveaways, so please come join this little group. That's actually where you have to like the post to get into the giveaway that I'm doing for the YouTube stuff. So again, guys, sorry for not doing this earlier. I am Teresa with Sippie Couture, brand ambassador for Mr. Nola's, and just trying to not let my world burn down because everything's crazy. I have 4 boys. I don't know what else you need to know. If you have questions, message me. Sorry. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bye, guys.